Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Kajala ubas ni obhalang Dhar ne kasngi habayakran baginong thok khubor halor ka Skhim OTS baka Sorkar kapinbana na kabenta ki Trai kali uloong bangin ap hadu kalai puwai tri ubana nailar ar Ïarap punrio uba Dhar ulai thu ba hadu menta Ïad kila yo kumba ar phau klurtam bad kermen bakin wan namar menta ki dei kabenta ka bakhadu uloong ru ba lada baro ki wan siu ya kabai khajna bad kiwei ka Sorkar kala banyo pdiang la kumnu kumba ars pa klure ai uloong ru balada ki patba kin bot ya kane ka jing batha kin sadu nong namarkat kane kalat baka Sorkar kala ai shiki habakli ya kane kan khta ne em ya ka jing yo jong ka Sorkar jilla na kalyang usembut Menteri Rangba uloong ba kane kadai tang ka kuna kan don katu katni ki benta bakan khta kan don ru ka benta bakan om khta ha kabayde barki kali Ïliktrik na kaliang uba snyo bhalang Dhar uloong ba ya kani kimpat shim ya karai kabakhadu bad menta ka Sorkar kadang pet benia ha kabayde bad kamang pisa bakin ai shikipat ba ula benrap ru da kabaong baka Sorkar kadang pet benia ha kabayde bad kasong pisa kabakide ban ai kajaka ban cha che kali ha kapor kababyang ka Sorkar kan sa shim ya karai kababyang uloong baka Sorkar kapenbena baminta kalapan jalan salai snem.
Yeah, let us see by 31st August because the deadline is 31st August. Till today already crossed 20 crore plus it seems. So hopefully they will come for now is the last day. So
and the total recovery that the government has to.
We should get.
Yes.
It may come close to 200 if they come all. Maybe 160, 70. There is not actual, I cannot say about, but almost close to 200 if they come forward.
200 crore.
Almost.
You were mentioning about 20 crore. Is that roughly?
No, I mean
So
till this last week they informed me 20 crore already. So let us wait. Yeah, recover. Let us wait till the and that also figure is moving every day, no? Not a fix.
So if people they don't comply with this scheme, then what?
If they don't comply, then they will lose. Simple as that. Such a best scheme government given to them. If they miss it, it's up to them. Maybe I should say it's one of the best scheme. So hopefully they will comply. They will comply. Maybe even 100%. I think I'm very sure it will touch to 80-90%. It should be.
So, but does this not affect the revenue generation of the state?
No, that is you see, this is a fine. This is a fine almost, so it won't affect. But yes, if we get it's additional. So maybe there is some part affected, some part, but maximum is not affected because it's a fine. Just like you know very well, I have clarified even from the day one, because only the fine itself almost close to 100 crores. That is not the actual revenue. It's a fine. This one we are yet to come to final conclusion. Because yes, cabinet has taken a decision. That time I was not there, but we have taken a decision with my consent only. So we are extending another 3 years. And now we are calculating properly about incentive because we have to see the finance. What is the financial implications? So we are waiting for finance. So suppose if we give incentive this much and this much number of vehicle, what are the financial impacts? So we are yet to come to the final conclusion on this. But extension is already extended another 3 years.
But is Meghalaya ready for electric vehicles, considering the power situation in the state?
That exactly. We have to look from all this angle. Suppose if we give incentive, we are ready for it. So if there is no charging station, so therefore we have to calculate everything. Point number 1 to incentive, encourage the people. Point number 2, where to charge. So all this we have to put in loops. That is the important. We cannot take a random decision. We have to take at the appropriate times, at the right place, at the right timing. That is why. Point number 1, we have to discuss with finance. How much financial implications? What are the type of vehicle we should give incentive? Whether in terms of registration, whether in terms of who purchase the new vehicle, then we are yet to take a call.
Why they are in a hurry to announce this?
No, we announce it, we extend it. Okay? Another 3 years. Because it already lapsed, no? Then 26. And number 2, we are prepared for incentive those who go for the EV. Yes, because it is incentive, so we have to coordinate with the finance. What are the financial implications? That is the reason.